James Reid, sinariwa ang sakit ng hiwalayan nila ni Nadine Lustre sa kanyang bagong kanta na pinamagatang Hurt Me Too. Hi mga ka-trenders! Kung bago pa lamang kayo sa channel na ito, mag-subscribe na at i-hit ang bell notification para lagi kayong updated sa mga balitang trending at napapanahon. Sinasabing sinariwa nga ng singer na si James Reid ang sakit na dulot ng kanilang hiwalayan ng dating nobya at kapwa niya artista na si Nadine Lustre sa bago niyang release na kanta. Naglabas si James Reid ng kanyang bagong single na pinamagatang Hurt Me Too, isang kanta daw na isinulat niya noong 2021 at nagpapakita ng katotohanan sa isang heartbreak. Ang awiting Hurt Me Too nga ang sinasabing unang proyekto ni James Reid sa ilalim ng Sony Music Entertainment na isang uri ng pakikipagtulungan sa sarili niyang careless label na patuloy naman niyang pinamamahalaan. Ang kantang Hurt Me Too na pinroduce ni Tim Marquez ay may simpleng piano-heavy ballad na umiikot sa katotohanan ng pagkawasak ng puso at sinasabing ang pinaghugutan daw ni James Reid dito ay ang kanyang nakaraang relasyon. Habang hindi naman siya nagdetalye sa mga emosyon na naramdaman niya noong panahon na isinulat niya ang kanta, mahalagang tandaan na nangyari ito pagkatapos ng kanilang hiwalayan ni Nadine Lustre. Ibinahagi din ni James Reid na isinulat niya ang Hurt Me Too 3 taon na ang nakalipas kasama ang artistang si Seth Regger mula sa Los Angeles. At sinabi niya, tinranslate ko lang po mga ka-trenders, talagang tinulungan niya akong damahin ang mga emosyon na hindi ko alam na nararamdaman ko noong mga panahong iyon. Pero sa English na po yun sinabi. At ang kanta nga ay nagmamarka ng isang mahalagang pagbabago sa direksyon ng tunog at liriko ni James na maaaring maging susunod na yugto ng kanyang pagiging artista, lalo na't nakatuon siya sa pagkwento sa paggawa ng musika. Para sa susunod na album at saad pa niya na ginagawa niya, gusto niyang mag-focus sa core ng kung sino siya bilang isang songwriter na may minimal pero intentional na music production. Sabi niya din na ang Hurt Me Too ay parang isang palate cleanser para sa kanya sa paraan na pinakikilala nito ang pagbabago sa tunog at direksyon. Nilahad din ni James na tinap niya ang kanyang kaibigang si Elena Verata para sa music video ng kanta na nagtatampok ng isang simple pero makapangyarihang konsepto na nakatuon sa mga hindi mailabas na emosyon at frustrations. Ipinapakita ng musikero ang kanyang malalapad ng ngiti sa harap ng kamera habang tinatangis ang kanyang sirang puso sa likod ng mga saradong pinto. Sa music video na inilabas sa kanyang YouTube channel noong Sabado, May 25. Kasalukuyan na ngang nasa 7.8 thousand views na ang nasabing music video ng aktor. Si James at Nadine nga ay matatandaang naging magkasintahan ng halos 4 na taon bago nila opisyal na inanunsyo ang kanilang hiwalayan noong Enero 2020. Kahit na naghiwalay na sila, nananatili si Nadine bilang artist sa ilalim ng Careless label hanggang sa umalis na nga ito noong katapusan ng 2022. Si Nadine nga ay kasalukuyang karelasyon ang Filipino-French entrepreneur na si Christopher Baru. Samantala, kasalukuyang karelasyon naman ni James Reid si actress model Isa Pressman. Pinagdiwang pa nga nila ang kanilang unang anibersaryo bilang magkasintahan noong nakaraang buwan. Narito ang ilang mga pasilip sa mga liriko ng bagong kanta ng singer-actor na si James Reid. You were always there when the lights went out. I was there every time you were down. We got way too many scars and they come without. Eto pa po, it was way too much and way too fast. I just needed space and the world they built around our love wouldn't let us change. Eto pa po, I swear, I gave you my best. I know you gave me all of you. I know it hurts cause that shit hurt me too. I know you gave me your best and I gave you all of me. I know it hurts cause that shit hurt you too. Oh, even all the greatest stories end, and I would do it all again. I know it hurts, cause that shit hurt me too. It hurt me too. At meron pa pong lyrics na, used to be like diamonds and gold, now we're like fire and smoke. I guess it's never easy letting go. It can be a lifetime trying to find the right one, but overnight we could say goodbye. At meron pa po, oh, I remember we were so in love, yeah, always running. I know you gave me your best and I gave you all of me. I know it hurts cause that shit hurt me too. And ito na nga po yung mga naging komento ng mga netizens patungkol po dito. Komento ni at Alt Careless, this is our unfinished business. James Reid should know that the last thing Jadens wanted for him and Nadine Lustre is the best for them, allowing them to love again and express their individuality. Nadine Lustre seems to be successful in building a new life with Chris, but James Reid, why this philosophical man had to sabotage himself with the people he knew from the very beginning would hurt us too. And that's why we can't wrap our heads around it. As James Reid decides to speak up through his music, Jadens share the same right as part of the journey. While he says he is hurting, we are too. We can't heal if you keep touching the same wounds. Cut the roots or you won't get peace. We know from our very, very core James deserves the best things in this world, and we love him, truly and dearly, but the people he chose to surround himself are the same people who plotted against Nadine, and even worse, you'll see against him. And this music video, Isa Pressman, you will never be Nadine Lustre. You, your sister, and your cronies, heaven knows what you did, and it is so damned hard to let it slide. Until such time you get rid of you, that's the only way Jadens can call it quits. Komento naman ni at Dear My Friend 5848, I got sad at the first part where they were asking him, James, how are you feeling? Oh, the irony. When the truth is, they don't really care about his feelings. They just want the drama. Brings back those moments where all the hate was thrown at him. But I'm glad he was able to find himself at peace in the end. Sabi naman ni at Denica Martinez, from the moment we heard it last November, it really hurts us so much. You also told us the story of this song. I was so lucky to hear all of the versions of this song before you released it. We love you, James. Sabi naman ni at K-YJ5RV, you got me back down this rabbit hole again. James, please, why do you have to do this to me, man? I was a huge fan of you and Nadine together. Ang sabi naman ni at Jong UIN Tivano, 5986, I will always be a fan of you and Nadine, not as a love team anymore, but as an individual artist. Dagdag naman ni at Christina 3693, I still love you, James. This song is masterpiece. It hurts me deeply by just listening to it. Sabi naman ni at Bawi 8804, wow, I feel the pain. Nakakaiyak yung lyrics. Dagdag naman ni CJ Aquino, tigilan mo na, James, masaya na sa buhay si Nads, naka-move on na, sana ikaw din. Tagal nyo nang hiwalay, sa ganyan ka pa din kumakapit, mapag-usapan ka lang. Haler, ganyan ata kapag kumukupas na, diyan ka na lang kay Isa mong laging nakanganga. Komento naman ni Maria Ayesha Amor Camu Anino, ay, na-hurt din kami, James, ay, natada, naka-move on na may Chris na kami. Komento naman ni Julia Nuena, it's still a good song though. No breakup is ever easy. So let's be real, men gets hurt too. Those who needs to end relationships for their sanity gets hurt too. Saad naman ni Celine Francisco, user, gagamitin na naman si Nadine para mag-ingay ang new song niya, ganern. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating showbiz update. Maraming salamat mga ka-trenders sa pagsama nyo sa akin sa isa na namang araw ng balitaan. Huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-subscribe, at i-hit na din ang bell notification para lagi kayong updated sa mga pinakabagong kaganapan sa mundo ng show business. Hanggang sa muli, see you on my next one. Paalam!